In this video, I'll show you how to turn an image into a cartoon. Trust me, this is very simple. I will show you how to do it. I will use a third-party Canva app. Click apps in the left panel and search for the app. App name is Photo to Cartoon. Let me type one, Photo to Cartoon. Search this one, Photo to Cartoon. I will choose this one, Photo to Cartoon. Convert photos into cartoon and anime images. Click this one. I will use it in new design. Click use in new design. Custom design. Let me select the aspect ratio 9 and 16 inch. Create new design. So here is two options. You can upload your own image, or if you want to try the app, you can choose image from here. I will upload an image. Select the image. Now select a style. Let me select anime style. Now click generate. This is the before and after effect. Before this was the image. Now this is the image. Let me add this image to the design. Make it a little bit bigger. So with this third-party app, you can convert an image into cartoon.